Okay, so this is the second time we have ordered the same table from the Walmart. First time it came broken. We'll see how it is this time. When you're doing from the top, make sure that the knife does not go too deep. Otherwise, it can damage the item. Lift it, yes. Lift it like that and then do it, yeah, like this. Okay. Okay. So it seems like it is broken this time also. You see here, the item that is supposed to be here in the middle, here, this has moved all the way here because this loose item has perhaps pushed it here. So it has come broken this time as well. So this is really sad. And this shows the strength of this table, right? I mean, if this cannot reach home, I mean, if we have to transport from one home to another home, I don't expect it to be alive. So this is like cardboard thing that has chipped off from here. Exactly same story, just like the last time. This is so bad. The durability of this table is so bad. This looks so beautiful on the website, but when we actually open, this is how it is. So even this joint that we see here is exactly same as what it was here. I mean here, this one. And this is same. And this is very, very weak because it's just on this. And this thing comes off so easily.